Tesla phone vs iPhone 15 Pro Max. Which should you buy? Thinking of upgrading your smartphone? Today, we're comparing the Tesla phone and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Both promising cutting-edge innovation, but which one truly delivers on performance, features, and value? Stick around to find out which one is perfect for *U*. Tesla's rumored futuristic design with solar charging meets Apple's elegant aerospace-grade titanium frame. The iPhone 15 Pro Max offers durability and sleek minimalism, but Tesla's eco-friendly approach could redefine convenience. Which speaks more to your style and priorities? With Tesla's integration into its ecosystem and satellite tech, it's all about innovation. Meanwhile, Apple's A17 Pro chip ensures unmatched speed and smooth multitasking. From heavy-duty gaming to productivity, which smartphone aligns with your performance needs? Apple's advanced triple-lens camera and cinematic mode elevate your photography game. Tesla, on the other hand, might leverage AI-driven imaging and seamless global satellite connectivity. Are stellar photos or universal coverage your top priority? Both devices bring unique strengths to the table. The Tesla phone dares to challenge norms, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max refines perfection. Now it's your turn. What matters most to you in a smartphone? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more tech insights.